Got Mr. Squirrel in there. Can't really see him. Now don't go back in the chimney, bud.
He just fell down?
Yeah, he's tired.
Yeah.
He must have been trapped.
Yeah.
Well, he's got nuts and there's plenty of snow and water around, so.
Yeah.
He's climbing pretty good though.
Yeah.